Guys, today I'm out in the garage. No, I'm not working on the Fairmont. I'm detailing this. The Shine Armor, and I'm gonna see how it does on the 2021 Mach 1. So let's start with the hood, and we'll put some Shine Armor on there, and I'll show you what's going on. Yeah, all right, so they say just do, a small spot at a time. So let's do this. Get this area. Yeah, buddy, and then we'll come over here. We'll get one of these Shine Armor rags, and we'll spray a little on there because they say I have to put it on dry. So we'll go right here, shine that on there. We'll set that out there, put this around, and then we'll start massaging this in. Get up here in this corner, get right here. And then we'll get this buffing towel. I know you're supposed to tear that off, but I didn't, like a dummy. But I'm making sure it's not hitting the car. Oh yeah, so just like on the yellow 70 Mach 1, you can feel where you put it at, and once you get past that point, then you can see it start sticking. So right about there, oh yeah, it really sticks bad there. Kind of like this stuff. So let's see. I'll put it right this bottle right there. She starts sliding right off. And then down here, it wants to slide, but not like it does up here. Oops, it hit the floor, baby, it hit the floor. And I'm gonna tell you, you can really feel the difference. Really. You come over here, and this is new paint, but I'm telling you, this is grabbing my finger. This is not even close to being as smooth. You seen I had to grab the rag, but if you go over here, this rag just, you see that? Does it work? It works. Will this stuff last 3, 4 weeks, 6 weeks, 8 weeks? I don't know, but I'll let you know when the time comes. So guys, I'm gonna tell you something. I really like this Shine Armor. I think it works well. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but it does. You can tell the difference in person, that's for sure. And you can see the light, it's more sharper on this side, and then the light on this side is kind of fuzzy. You see what I'm saying? So you can see it better on this side. So it does work. All right, well, I'm gonna do this side of the hood, and I'll bring you guys. Yeah, I'm doing this side of the hood. So it actually nice and smooth. It just, this rag kind of glides on here. Let me get down over here. And once I get here, it stops. So, you're nice and smooth, right? Up here where I buffed it out. And then you get down here. It literally stops right there. Once you go right here, and you can see, it grabs, boop, right there. That's where it stops at. I'm gonna spray some water on this, and we're gonna see how fast it runs off. That's right. It's a good thing I got a drain in this garage. So here we go. Guys, I think it works pretty good. Yeah, I think it does. Oh yeah. Water drips runs right off of there. The more you use this on your car, the better it's gonna be. It's really what it is. It's like putting wax on for the first time, The first time you put the wax on there, it's good. But when you put that second coat of wax on there, a week later or whatever, that makes it even better. So I like I said, after a couple coats of this, I really believe we'll be good. But we'll find out, because it's cold out right now. But when summer kicks in, the car's out in the sun, we go to the car shows, it sits in the sun all day long, this and that. We'll find out how good it really is. Looks pretty good. The paint is nice and smooth, yeah, and it's shining good. So I got the roof, the trunk, I got everything done. And I even did the windshield and the back window. No complaints here. It's not like this car's gonna see a lot of the weather, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be parked in the garage most of its life. Besides car shows and cruises and stuff like that. But you can definitely tell it's definitely shinier, and you can see stuff in it a lot clearer than what you could before, you know what I'm saying?
Thank you for watching. I just want to let you guys know I appreciate each and every one of you, man. You guys are awesome. And if anybody tells you different, you tell them come see me and I'll tell them you're awesome. Oh yeah, and another thing, if I can't tell them you're awesome, I got people that can. Oh yes, I do. Mm-hmm.